In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SteamVR Error 451 quickly and easily. If you've been trying to launch SteamVR and keep running into that annoying error message, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're just setting up your VR headset for the first time, or you've suddenly started seeing this error out of nowhere, this step-by-step guide will help you get things back to normal fast. First, let's start with a simple system fix. Go ahead and right-click on your Windows Start icon and select Settings. Once your Settings window opens, click on Display, and then scroll down until you see Graphics Settings. After that, click the small arrow that says Advanced Graphics Settings. Now, here's the important part: turn off Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Once it's off, restart your computer before trying SteamVR again. Sometimes that alone fixes the issue. But if not, don't worry, we've got another solution that usually does the trick. This time, we'll check your network settings. Again, right-click on your Windows Start icon, and this time choose Network Connections. Once the window opens, click on Wi-Fi, and then select your connected network. Here, you'll see an option to change your network profile. Make sure it's set to private instead of public. Once you've done that, restart your computer one more time and try launching SteamVR again. To make sure everything goes smoothly, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your graphics drivers are fully up to date, your Steam client is running the latest version, and your VR headset firmware is also current. These updates often fix small compatibility bugs that can cause errors like this one. After restarting and updating everything, open up SteamVR again, and if everything went right, that frustrating error 451 should now be gone. You'll be able to jump right back into your favorite VR games without any interruptions. It's also a great idea to keep SteamVR set to launch manually rather than automatically at startup. This prevents conflicts with GPU or driver updates that might occur in the background. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix SteamVR Error 451 quickly and easily and get back to your immersive gaming sessions without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.